Hi guys, what's up? It's me Jason. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button to be notified for more videos. Right now, I am going to search online for a specific game. It's called chess and the website is GameNot.com. So let's try this. It's here, GameNot.com. So let's try to click this one and it directs me to my account. So it's here. I don't need to log out. If you are new to this website, you have to log in first. Right after logging in, you are actually having a new account like this account of mine. And right now on this website, there are tabs there like my game, settings, new game, messages, compete. There are actually like tournaments, teams, clubs, and more. For me, I don't have the guts to buy the premium one. Aside from it's expensive, I just don't really like to do that. I'm just right here to just play simple games and discuss every winning game with you guys. All right, so um, there are actually like puzzles here, as you can see. Normally, I go there with my games, and at the start of your new account, your rating could be like 1,200. I forgot about that because I have this account like a year or two, but I just forgot that I have this account. I was just like looking around for some chess websites, and I found out that it says that I already logged into this website using my email address. So I was actually like looking forward to getting its password using my email account, and successfully I got it. Thanks God. And right now I'm on this website. So actually I played a few of them. I started playing like maybe this week only. Like every game I have to evaluate it, discuss it with you so that you can learn as well. So let's play and learn together. Okay. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, total of 9. And I think it's okay to have like at most 10 games. So since it's 9 games, I can actually hover my mouse here to the new game tab, and there are like drop downs there, and I can join game or start a new game. So let's try starting a new game. See, it's still available. There's no notification there that I could not add more games. All right, so 9 plus this one is going to be 10. As far as I could remember, there are like a maximum of 10 games in a week or 10 days. Let's see. I forgot about it. So I can set like white color, 2 days, 3 days per move. I think it's some kind of like boring. So 2 days I think is okay. One day is not good because maybe if you're a busy man like me, there's a tendency or possibility that you will forget to move, right? So in that case, if you forget to move on that day, you will lose directly the game. So 2 days is enough. Okay, so maximum of 1850. All right. So I can click on start game using the white pieces. Let's wait. Yes. So open challenge created. So I think this is still okay. That's my first move. So I have to orient you as well with this table here, or board here. For those who do not know, A is the column here, B, C until H. And here is the first row, second row, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Okay, so it says here D2, it moves to D4. So D2 is this one. This one is D2. I have to move it to D4. That's it. And after moving, if you think that's the final move that you have to do, you just hit the submit button there. Let's hit it. All right, so waiting for an opponent. This is the recent game that I created. All right, so hopefully if there's someone that could like to play with me, there will be like a new notification that it's my turn. So 10, what if I create another game? Oh, I'm still good. All right, so it's good. Like I can still choose a color maximum, and then 2 days start game. Now I'm black. All right, so I have to wait for somebody's move, right? See, I cannot move because it's always the white's turn first. Okay, and then what if I create another one? Oh, there. Unable to start a new game. Please wait until someone joins your game or subscribe to a premium. Yeah, it's a premium membership to be able to start more than 2 open challenges. Oh, so since I have 2 open challenges, that's the maximum that I could create, guys. And here, more games, no ads, faster page loading, access to many advanced features and benefits, all for $5 a month. 4.99 is like $5 a month, right? And for a year, it's going to be like 39.99 or $40. But I'm not gonna subscribe to any of that. So here, I cannot start a new game. It's only like 2 pending games. Oh, yeah, there's some messages there. Like JGLez2 has just joined your game. And here, just G not. I think this is a familiar um, name or ID. So 2 of them, I have to delete them. That's how to do that. Just check on the box and then delete. All right. So I click on the My Games tab, and right now I have 2 moves to do. Click on My Move. It opens the board, and that's his first move. I want to do that. Okay. And if I think that that's going to be my best move, I'm going to click on Submit button again. It reloads. All right, so that's the introduction to the GameNot.com website, guys. It's really good. So starting from the next video, I am going to give you a tutorial on how I won each game, guys. Like, look at the messages I have here. See here, congratulations, 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 resignation, congratulations, congratulations. See, I got like several games I won. So each of them, I have to discuss it with you on how I won the game. What moves did I do? And I have to explain to you why I move a certain piece like that. Okay? So it's going to be an actual game tutorial so that you can learn. Alright, so see you on my next videos. Thank you very much. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button to be notified for more. Have a great day.